What's going on, everybody? This is Tech Jonas back with another video. Our video is all about a Bluetooth headset today. So this is the real headset. I'm gonna review this. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, now this is something called the Awei A831BL. This is a wireless, obviously it's wireless, it's a Bluetooth headset. So we're gonna review this. It's not an unboxing, so we're gonna review this. Let's see what's around the box real quick. This I might show you guys. This one is the this is called the Tyrant Gold color. This is the main color of this thing. Okay, it has also the silver, but I do not have the, whoa, they call it the gun color. Okay, that's good. So what's the deal? What's the main thing about this thing? This is well, obviously it's a Bluetooth headset. So this is a one-ear design. This is the real thing here. This is the out-of-the-box thing. I've been using it for a while. Actually, my friend has. Besides all that, let me talk to you about the the specification first. It supports the Bluetooth 4.0, and Awei claims it has 180 hours of stand-up time, but I'm not sure about that. Standby time, yeah, I get that, it's a Bluetooth headset, but 180 hours, that's a long time. Let's see what's around the box real quick. So it has Bluetooth 4.0, okay. It supports HD sound. Considering the style of this, I mean, you know what I mean. This is the one-ear design, It's not the two-ear kind of Bluetooth headset. It's just for one ear use. You can use it in the office and maybe listen to some music if you don't care about the quality. I'll talk to you later, but let me cover the specifications first. It has a decent noise cancellation. Do not think that it is an active noise cancellation. It does not have an active noise cancellation, but it does have a noise cancellation. It says wind noise reduction. Whoa, it's not. Awei claims it's a wind noise reduction, but do not trust this noise reduction of Awei claims. Okay, Awei says that you can get up to 7 hours of battery time, music play time or talk time, on this thing, but I'm not sure. You can get up to, on my personal use and my friend's use, you can get up to like 5 or 6 maximum. Considering of its size, it's pretty good. And this thing needs to charge like for 1.5 hours. That's the average point. Okay, another thing that I want to mention about this thing is I do not like the voice control. There's an LED indicator for to understand if it's on or off the charging port, and this is the multifunction button. You get your earphone, microphone here. It's not that bad, but it's not that good either. Okay, volume control is this one, this little guy, this little button. You get just only 3 voice control systems. It's like low, medium, or high. That's all you get. But the main thing about this, the reason I'm reviewing a Bluetooth headset. So the question is, how does it sound? If you're looking for a bass, you're kind of a music kind of dude, you listen to audio files and all other things, do not get a Bluetooth like this. Don't do that. Maybe you're going somewhere and you're just you need to talk to someone. It's kind of a business purpose, maybe you're talking with someone and this is just one ear. It's easy and convenient, but the audio quality, it's not the greatest one out there. Do not expect any kind of bass. The high end is actually pretty good in this, but I would not trust the low end. It is not good at handling low ends. Okay, so the sound quality of this thing is not bad, but do not expect any kind of bass. Low end is not that great, but the high end, yeah, you can expect some good listening to it. It's a comfortable fit, and it has this ear hang, which is pretty comfortable, and you get all these different sizes of ear cups. What they call is it called ear cups? I'm not sure. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Obviously, I will be reviewing more techs, and okay, stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. Peace.